VersaBase Cream was developed specifically for hormone replacement therapy. Topical hormone replacement therapy is becoming a preferred method of administration because of the ease of administration as well as predictable pharmacokinetic patterns. Compounding hormone replacement therapy actually offers tailored doses specific to the patient, avoiding the one-size-fits-all mentality in manufactured products. We're also delivering hormones that are the same molecular structure as the patient has been used to producing their entire lives. VersaBase Cream can be used to deliver estriol, estradiol, progesterone, testosterone, and DHEA. Some specific characteristics of VersaBase Cream that physicians may be interested in is the fact that it's hypoallergenic, it's odor-free, it's oil-free, which means that it's not going to clog pores, and it's got a very pharmaceutically elegant feel. Being that it is hypoallergenic, the patient can apply it both topically and vaginally. VersaBase Cream is actually one of the most studied bases in the compounding world. We have studies that both prove the penetration enhancement as well as a stable medium for hormones. VersaBase Cream is just another way that compounding can help your patients.